Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Pro, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation by using the Xiaomi settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let me unlock the screen, let's find and select the settings. Scroll down and here you should find the add additional settings right here. Then let's scroll down one more time and choose backup and reset. So let me tap it. Afterwards choose factory data reset right here and choose reset phone. If you are sure that you want to erase all personal information, downloaded apps, customize settings and other personal stuff, let's choose erase right here. Let me do it. And right now the device is performing the hard reset operation. The Xiaomi is erasing all personal stuff from the memory. So let's just wait until the whole operation will be done. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see the MIUI welcome panel pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.